Hi everyone, so today I'm actually going to be doing a bit of a different video. We are creating this pink half cut crease on my friend Jess, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And if you would like to see how I got the look, please keep watching. I have started the video with already doing her brows, so if you would like to see a brow tutorial, I do have one from a couple of months back where you could go watch that. But if it is something you want to see, I can do another updated brow tutorial, so if you would like to see that, let me know down below. So to start off, I'm going to start by taking the Inglot All Covered Concealer in the shade 12, and I'm just taking this under the brow on a flat synthetic brush. You can see I'm taking it all over the lid and just gonna then take a blending brush and blend that out to smooth it into the rest of the skin. This is so when I add foundation, it will blend a little bit more seamlessly. Now I'm taking like a packing brush and I'm packing this bright pink shade right in the crease. I'm then taking a blending brush with a lighter pink shade and just blending that up towards the brow. You want to make sure just to use little circular motions and don't blow it out too much. All the shades that I am using on the eyes today are from the Stationery Carnival palette. I've been loving this palette, haven't put it down since I've got it. Now I'm just taking a deeper purple and I'm packing that on the outer corner and kind of going to bring it through the crease as well. And then obviously I'm taking the pink on a blending brush, and then I'm also going to blend that in just to kind of blend the purple and the pink together, as it is a bit of a darker shade. And here I'm just doing obviously the other eye as well. Let's not notice how much I'm literally lifting Jess's brow off her face, but yeah. All the brushes I am using as well are all from Inglot, so just in case you were wondering the brushes I'm using today, if you don't want to get Inglot brushes and you might just think I'm saying that because I work there, I also love like Zoeva brushes, and Real Techniques brushes are just as good. So yeah. And Nuray brushes too. So exactly the same, I'm just packing this colour on so it's really pigmented, and then taking a big blending brush to just make sure that's blended in nice and seamless. After this, I'm going to be cutting the crease, and I'm going to be taking a gel liner rather than a concealer. I just find that it works best for me. So I'm just taking this on a flat brush, and I'm using the 68 gel liner from Inglot, and I'm just patting this rather than creating a stroking motion, and just following the kind of natural shape of her eye, but taking it a bit further up just so when she opens her eye you can see it. I'm then just blending this into the shadows before I do take any more shadow, adding product where I need to make sure it's still saturated enough. And then I'm going to go in with the darker shade, as you can see here, and I'm just going to blend this back across into the gel liner, and then I'll kind of go between them two steps a little bit just until I get an even blend. Now I'm going to be taking an adhesive for the glitter that I'm going to put down. This is the Eyeshadow Keeper, again from Inglot, and now I'm going to be taking one of the Body Sparkles from Inglot. I'm not sure on this number, but I will leave products listed down below. I'm taking it further than I needed just to blend it into that purple, and then again I'll go back in with the purple just to make sure they're blended together nice. And again with the big blending brush just to make sure, again, everything's blended good, I'm going to go in with that. Now I'm going to be taking a 77 black gel liner. This is again from Inglot, and I'm also going to be applying some lashes. I'm not sure where these are from because they are Jess's own lashes, but of course you can see the glue is still on them, so I'm just going back over the gel liner to cover that lash band. After this is done, this is the eyes complete apart from underneath. Again, I'm just going to go underneath now with some concealer. I'm taking the Inglot All Covered in the shade 12, and Jess has blinked and got it on my eyelash, so thanks for that, but here we go. Again, I'm using Inglot brushes and just making sure that's really evenly spread across the under eye to brighten it up. And then I'm taking the bright pink underneath and just taking that close to the lash line. Still making sure it is blending a bit down. And now I'm going to take Anastasia A1 brush just to get right close to the lash line with the dark purple, and then adding some mascara on. This is the Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. I'm now going to go in with a primer. I believe this one is a one from Maybelline, the Super Stay primer, and then I'm going in with the All Covered foundation from Inglot. I'm sure this is the shade 15, but again I will leave it down below. I'm now going in with a HD Pressed Powder 403 from Inglot, and now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I can't remember the bronzer I used, but I will check my makeup desk and again leave the products below. But I'm just really chiseling into the cheekbones there and making them appear a bit more defined. And now I'm taking some blush and then of course some highlight. Again, I can't remember the exact highlight I used, but all products are going to be down below. I'm just putting in the usual places just to highlight the face, you know. Now that's all to do after this is obviously to go in with lips. I'm sure I used a Rimmel London lip liner for lips, so I will leave that again down below. I'm sure it's in the shade Cappuccino, but again I'll have to double check. And I'm just taking a liquid lip from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Stripped. These are some of my favourite liquid lips ever. And that is the look all done. So thanks so much for watching. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. I hope you liked this different style of video. Of course, this is the first time I've did a video like this where I'm doing makeup on someone else. Yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.